In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to blur text in a video in CapCut PC. So first is drag your video onto your timeline. Then next is duplicate your video and add the copied layer or the duplicated clip at the top just above the original clip. Then next at the top go to effects and here drag the blur effect to the top video clip. Next, adjust the intensity of the blur by sliding the slider to the right. Then next is switch to the mask tab. So here click on add mask and now resize and position this blur mask to the text that you would like to blur. Just make adjustments until the text is completely covered with the mask. And that's it. So thank you for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one.